What's up guys, it's me your Geek. So here are the top 5 Motorola Moto E4 case. The number 5th case is from Idea Line, a simple beautiful case. Come with a free screen protector, have a built-in stand, also have a belt holster. And number 4 case is from Anile. Look at it, it's quite grippy. If you easily slide off the phone from your hand, then just put this case on your Moto E4. And number 3 case is from TJS. This is a carbon fiber case, not the real carbon fiber, not the real carbon fiber. A lot of people think this is a real carbon fiber. Can you get a real carbon fiber in a $10 case? No, definitely no. But still, at the end of the day, this get the job done. And number 2 is from Nagabi. Nagabi do not need any introduction. Look at the beauty of it. If I were you, I'll be getting the black one. And number 1, my favorite is from PureTech. Wow, I really love PureTech. They do not build cases for every phone, but they build cases for some phone. They definitely build the best of the best. So it was me, Jimmy. All of the links are in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe and bye.